The investor, the famous investor from the movie Big Short. Did you see Big Short?
Yeah, when it came out, it's been years. I haven't
Been
watched
years.
it again.
So we shouldn't be asking you
Good
for
movie though.
for a
from what I
synopsis. You just remember you enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. You had Christian Bale in there. He actually played this particular investor, Michael Burry, who predicted the collapse of the housing market and shorted it and made a boatload of cash, right?
Mm-hmm.
Called it, so to speak. This guy is definitely short himself on Tesla. And the thing is, we've been talking so much about how Tesla's unstoppable and everybody wants the stock. And here's a guy who has a history of calling a very big short. And he's saying, I'm doing the same with Tesla. All right. He said he expected Tesla stock to implode in a similar fashion to the housing market. Obviously, that's not happening right now. Approaching $900. Obviously, it's not happening right now. But he says, hey, my last big short, it got bigger and bigger and bigger too. As everybody told me I was crazy. Now, these two things are not exactly the same. The housing market and a car company. The housing market and a charismatic CEO who has a tremendous fan base, they're not exactly the same, but it is true. Many make the case that Tesla's stock price is not necessarily, I don't want to say deserved, but reflective of their the amount of business they do. Because you have that hype machine contributing and people looking super long term. Like yourself, when I asked you yesterday, Bitcoin, Tesla, whatever happens to be. He highlighted that Tesla gained about $60 billion in market capitalization on Thursday. On Thursday, which, by the way, Will, is the equivalent of General Motors' entire market value. On Thursday!
That's impressive.
So he claims that this stock is ridiculous. It's not reflective of real stuff, and so therefore he's going to continue to short it. However, oh, by the way, he did it a different way. The $60 billion to the market cap is equivalent to 1 GM, 2 Hershey's, 3 Etsy's, 4 Domino's, and 10 Vornados. I don't know what Vornados is. It must be some type of restaurant. That's just how much Tesla can gain in a single day.